Okay, let's hope. Okay, welcome to lesson 4. We'll go through the quiz and then we'll kind of a recap of what we went through for the last 3 lessons and then go to the next lesson. Today will be a very short lesson on balanced hand, but because it's short, I'll add in something from the intermediate for the benefit of those who actually attended this session previously. So it's this thing called a Stayman convention, which I think some people say you should include it, some people say no. I think you just include it for, let's see got time now. Okay, let's start the first one. Let's start with the bidding. We'll go through one heart. Okay, what does one heart shows? Okay, 5 hearts, 12 to 19. What does one spade shows? Okay, one spade shows 6 points, responder 6 points, forcing, and at least 4 spades. So with hand 1A, what would you do for hand 1? Okay, this is a rebate. You open one heart, and now your partner shows 6 points. How many points do you have? 16 points, right? So remember, opener has 3 hands: minimum, invitational, and game. So this is which hand? Minimum, invitational, or game? Minimum is 12 to 15, invitation is 16 to 17, game is 18 to 19. So this is invitational, right? So if it's invitational, how would you invite? Correct, 3 spades. Because 2 spades is to show minimum hand, 3 spades is to invite, and 4 spades is game. So the answer should be 3 spades. Okay. Let's look at 1B. So what happens if your partner beat 2 clubs instead? So how would you beat for hand 1? Okay, first question, how many of you have tried this? Okay, some have tried. Okay, good. Okay, so it's not that. Those who have tried can give the answer. Those who have not tried can think also. So 1B, so what is 2 clubs? Okay, usually 5 or sometimes 4, and you must have at least 10 points, okay, to beat 2 clubs. So you know that this hand, what hand is this? This invitational. So invitational, you have 15 or 16, right? So here you have 10 points. You know there's a game. So what game will it be? Well, it could be in 3-no trump, okay, or it could be 4 spades. You're not sure why, but usually when your partner beat 2 clubs, he's denying 4 card spades. So here I think you have to just hope for the best and probably beat 3-no trump. But you don't have a diamond stop. That's one big problem. So you could beat 2 spades, and it should be, and your partner can then decide what to do. Okay, let's see what's the model answer. Oh, there's no model answer. Okay, let's look at the other one. Lesson 3 answers. Okay. Yeah, lesson 3. So 2 spades, okay, 2 spades, okay. Here the reason why I beat 2 spades because you have no stop. If you have stop, you actually beat that. So when you beat 2 spades, your partner knows that this is okay, remember what is the barrier? What's the barrier for 1 heart? 2 hearts is a barrier. So when you beat 2 spades, you exceed the barrier. So you're showing a strong hand, at least 16, 17 point hand, right? So here your partner knows there's game. So for him to decide whether he has a diamond stop. If he has a diamond stop, he can beat 3-no trump. If he doesn't have diamond stop, then because you have big hearts, he has big clubs, you beat spades, so he knows that you're likely to have points in your hearts and spades. So he needs to beat 3-no trump with a diamond stop. Okay, that's 1B. Let's look at 1C. Okay, 1C is quite straightforward. Your partner is showing diamonds. So what is 2 diamonds again? Yeah, it should be a 4 or 5 with 10 points. So again, there's game. Here, you can happily go to no trump. Why? Because here your hand, your weakest suit is diamonds. Your partner promised diamonds. So you have club stop, so you can beat 3-no trump. So the more answer is also 2 spades. But you can also beat 3-no trump if you want to. Because the key to note that when your partner beat 2 diamonds, usually he doesn't have the spade. Yeah, so you can actually beat 3-no trump. You could beat 2 spades also, but likely you'll be in 3-no trump because unless your partner has 5 diamonds and 4 spades. But if I have 5 diamonds and 4 spades, most people will still beat spade because you want to find a major fit. If you want to follow the bridge principle, you will beat 2 diamonds, and then you will beat spades. So there's some arguments whether you should beat your 4 card major or your 5 card diamond. Okay, but I think it's okay. You can either beat 2 spades. Just know that 2 spades forcing, so it's okay. The auction will not end here, but you cannot pass. Yeah, because 2 diamonds is 10 plus points. You have at least a game hand because with your invitational hand. Okay, let's look at hand 2. Okay, first thing, one heart again. So, okay, all this is one heart hand. So again, maybe just tell me this is minimum, invitational, or game. This is minimum. So minimum is simple. When you have this hand, what should you do? You yeah, remember one spade is a forcing bid. One spade shows he has 6+ points. He's unlimited. You cannot pass. Okay, you cannot beat two spades also. Okay, this is something that a lot of people like to do. One spade only promises 4. If you beat two spades, where's your 4 card spades? You only got 3. So what can you do? Okay, two hearts again. If you remember, two hearts must show at least 6. Yeah, when we beat also you show at least 6, so it can't be two hearts. What else can you beat? There are two possibilities, I think. One is one no trump. Remember, one no trump is always the last resort. But here, this hand is not really suitable for one no trump. So you can beat two clubs. And remember, when you beat two clubs, the barrier is 2 hearts. So you have not exceed the barrier. So your partner can still pass or correct to 2 hearts. So answer is 2 clubs. Okay, let's look at this hand. So 1 heart, 2 clubs. Okay, what would you do? Here, it's not the answer. Anyway, here you have 13 points, right? 8, 10, 13. Your partner shows 10+ points. So you can beat 3 clubs. And then if partner has enough, okay, 3 clubs will be just a minimum hand. Because with this, you can really tell whether there's a game. So you're just telling partner I have a minimum hand with some club support. If he has enough points with diamond support, he can, or even a spade stop, he can actually beat 3 no trump. So the answer is 3 clubs. Okay, let's look at this. If partner beat 2 diamonds, what do you do? Okay, there are a few possibilities. One is you can't be 2 hearts because 2 hearts shows 6. You only have 5. Okay, 2 no trump is possible, but then your diamond is only 1. You may want to beat 3 clubs. So I think you can beat 2 no trump or you can beat 3 clubs. I think both are quite okay. Yeah, the answer, I'm not sure what's the original answer, but I think 3 clubs is okay. Yeah. 5-4 is okay. Okay, here the barrier is 2 hearts, remember, but here because your partner is forcing you, he's showing at least 10 points. So your 3 clubs doesn't show a strong hand. Your 3 clubs is just showing your suit. Yeah. Another option, if you're not worried about going too high, you can beat 2 no trump. You do have a minimum hand, but the problem is your diamonds is very weak. Yeah. So the reason why I buy 3 cards shows that you have 5 hearts and 4 clubs. So partner should have at least 10 points. Okay, hand 3. Okay, what sort of hand you have? Do you have minimum, invitational, or game hand? Okay, how many people say it's minimum? How many say invitation? How many say it's game? Okay, first you have how many points? 12 points, right? So 12 points is? Okay, this is exactly the same hand as this, just that now you switch the suit behind. Instead of clubs, you have diamonds. So here, what would you bid? If your partner bid 1 spade, what is your rebate? To show a minimum hand. You cannot pass because 1 spade is forcing. So you have to bid something. Okay, again, you cannot bid 2 hearts because you only got 5. If you only got 5 hearts, please don't rebid your suit. Okay, this is the key thing. Your suit is ace 9, 8, 6, 2. You only got 5. So try not to rebid your suit with this. You need at least 6 to rebid your suit. Okay, that's lesson 3. Okay, 2 diamonds possible because 2 diamonds haven't exceed the limit, the barrier. The barrier is 2 hearts, remember? So 2 diamonds possible. What else? Yes, one no trump. So what's the answer? Answer is 2 diamonds. I think 2 diamonds is better because here you have 4 diamonds. Yeah. So you can either be 2 diamonds or 1 no trump. 1 no trump is fine also. Next one. What would you bid? Minimum hand. Your partner bid 2 clubs. Okay, what would you bid? Yeah, 2 diamonds okay. Okay, you can either bid 2 diamonds. I think 2 diamonds okay. 2 no trump probably not because you don't have spades or spade stop. So I would think answer should be 2 diamonds. Okay, correct. Okay, this one. C. What would you bid? Your partner shows 10 points. Your minimum hand. Remember, your partner shows 10+ points. Your partner can have 20 points. He's just showing 10+ points. So generally, responder, all these bits are forcing. Two diamonds shows 10 plus. So please do not pass it or have a minimum hand I pass. Because if let's say my partner got 15 points, you say I got minimum I pass, that's wrong. Because two diamonds is showing 10 plus, it's not showing 10 points. So you must bid. What would you bid? Correct, answer is three diamonds. So very simple. So bid three diamonds. Okay, after three diamonds, your partner can then pass if you really got weak hand, then just 10 points, or you can actually go to three no trump. Okay, let's look at hands four. Again, first question, what hand is this? Is it minimum, invitation, or is it game? Okay, who say minimum? You have to count again. 6, 10, 16, 17. So 17 is invitational. Okay, important. Okay, now those who like to rebate your heart, right? Now this is the best time for you rebate your heart because you got 6. Okay, you have a 6 card suit, you can rebate. So what's the answer for 1A? No, 2 hearts is minimum hand. Yeah. Okay, 4 hearts is game hand. So it's not 2 hearts, it's not 4 hearts. Mm. Okay, your partner only have one spade only promise 4. Please don't be 3 spades with 3 card spades. Okay, 3 spades doesn't mean I have 3 spades. Okay, 3 spades should be invitational hand with 4 card spades. So if let's say you have 5 here, so you can be 3 spades to invite. But here you can rebeat your suit. So the answer is, yeah, 3 hearts. Okay, okay, let's look at this one. 1 heart, 2 clubs. What will be the answer? Okay, 3 no try is possible because you got stop and everything. Here you beat 3 hearts. 3 hearts should be forcing also. A bit strange, because you know that 2 clubs shows 10 points, so 3 hearts should be highly invitational. Most likely is to show 6 hearts and more than a minimum hand. You know there's likely to be a game. So answer could be either 3 no trump or 3 hearts. Let's see what they say. 3 hearts, yeah. Why do you want to beat 3 hearts? You want to beat 3 hearts because in case the partner got 2. Because 1 heart, 2 clubs, your partner still can have two hearts. And 3 no trump may not play that well. Yeah, let's say partner only got 2 little spades or even 1 singleton spade. And after that, they lead spades, knock out your ace. You may not have time to establish your heart suit. Yeah, whereas 4 hearts can make. So you beat 3 hearts. But remember, 3 hearts shows invitational hand. If you got minimum hand, you should beat 2 hearts. So based on this, your partner should be able to know whether it's game or not. Okay, look at C. What you beat for C? Yes. So answer very simple. It's the same bidding. Okay. Sometimes it's the same bidding. Sometimes the bidding will change depending on partner's responses. Okay. Here is quite straightforward because you have no other suit. If your partner got another suit, you could support your other suit. Here you only have your own suit. So when you got a 6 card suit, try to show your 6 card suit and also show your strength. Okay, so your opener rebate, when opener rebate, you should be able to show at least 2 things. One, your point range, whether you're minimum, invitation, or game. Secondly, you can show whether you got a 6 card suit when you rebate your suit. Okay, let's look at hand 5. What hand is this? Yeah, somebody say 18. Here, this is a game hand. So when it's a game hand, you have a big game. So 1 heart, 1 spade, what would you do? Sorry? Yeah, you can pick 3 diamonds. 3 diamonds will be showing a much stronger hand than 2 diamonds. 2 diamonds is passable. Why? Remember the barrier is 2 hearts. So if you pick 2 diamonds, your partner can pass. So you could pick 3 diamonds, that's possible. 3 no trump is also possible. But the problem with 3 no trump is sometimes may not play that well because we got singleton spade. Okay, let's see what answer they give. 3 diamonds, okay? 3 diamonds, okay. Next one, B. Okay, 3 no trump is possible. Here we can also pick 3 diamonds, I think. Because again, 2 diamonds will be minimum hand. 3 diamonds, it should be forcing, showing invitation of game hand. You know that once you show an invitational hand, which is 15, 16, right? Sorry, invitation is 6, 12 to 14, 15, 16, yeah. So you know that partner can know that there's a game. So you can just pick 3 diamonds. Okay? 3 no trump is also possible. Sorry, 3 no trump is not possible because you don't have a spade stop. So you can only pick 3 diamonds. Okay, C, what would you bid? Okay, 5 diamonds possible. If this one is a difficult hand, you see. Yeah, because I don't really like diamonds. So you may want to big 3 no trump, although you don't have a spade stop. Let's see what's the answer they give. Yeah, 5 diamonds. Yeah, yeah. No, 4. Usually 4. At least 4. Yeah. A fit. Yeah. Yeah. But in real life, some people may not pay 3 no trump now. Pray that your partner got a spade stop. But here, if you're just playing when you first started, you can just beat 5 diamonds. The asterisk to show that if you learn slam, if you learn later lessons, then you may want to refine your technique. But here is very that's why bidding is very crude if you just based on this. In real life, you need to have conventions, you need to have things to actually make your bidding more accurate. But for now, just take 5 diamonds. I think 5 diamonds is okay. I don't think you can beat your own try because you have a spade stop. Okay. So this is question 1. Any question? Yeah. Where? Which one? Okay, responders, right? When they bid a new suit, it promise 4 cards and 6 points, and it's forcing. Usually 4 cards for major. What did I say last week? Usually can be 5, 4 Yeah, 4 Just take it as 4 Yeah, responder is 4. At the 2 level could be 5, but usually can be 4 Sometimes you don't have a very good hand. Yeah, you can respond with 4. Otherwise, you have to beat no trump all the time. Yes, correct. Can be 4 Yeah, just take it as 4 Okay. Hmm? Yeah, it should show 5, but sometimes there's a certain hands where you have no other suit to bid, and your hand may not be so suitable for a no trump hand. Yeah, so you can take it as 4 to 5 lah. Don't have a model about this because most of the time, right, when you're looking at minors, right, your aim is still to go to no 3 no trump because if you want to go to a game at a minor, you need to have more points because you need to be at the 5 level. Yeah. Yeah. No, 10 plus, not 10 to 12. Yes, and it's forcing. Mm. No, you should be 1 no trump with an unbalanced hand. Yeah, this is another mistake a lot of people make. 2 level must always be 10 points. Don't worry, a lot of people make this mistake. My student who's supposed to be advanced level, he keeps beating at a 2 level with less than 10 points. Don't do that. Yeah, just to make it simple, 2 level is always 10 points. But the argument is, oh, I don't want to beat 1 no trump with a singleton. Then my counter argument, but you also don't want to beat 2 level with less than 10 points. Yeah, so usually it's 4 to 5 usually don't do it on the 3 card Yeah, 4. But then 4 you also have to have some judgment Let's say your 4 is 8762 then also a bit ugly 8762. If a 4 card 8762. Yeah, correct. So you may want to beat 2 no trump to show 10 to 12. Yeah, so you don't always have to be a suit. Yeah, but here this is just an example I think I take it as 4 to 5 Yeah, depends I want to be flexible because if you keep stick to 5 there will be some hands that you cannot beat then I also don't know how to help you. Then it's just a bit 2 no trump. Yeah, then bidding will always be 1 level then 2 no trump 10 to 12 then yeah then you won't be able to find some fit sometimes. Yeah. Okay, there's no questions. Let's continue. Okay, so now 1 diamond. Okay, this is still the same thing. So partner response, what is the subsequent bid? Again, okay, remember opener got 3 types of hand, minimum, invitation, and game. So now you bid 1 diamond. Okay, this is your hand. Your partner bid 1 heart. So first question, what hand do you have in hand 6? 8. Are you sure or not? Yeah, okay, bare minimum 8, 9, 15. Okay, 12 to 15 minimum. Okay, we take it as either a high minimum or a low invitational. So for this, just keep it as minimum. So what do you bid after partner bid 1 heart? Since you have minimum hand. Yeah, 2 hearts, okay. Some people may upgrade a hand and bid 3 hearts, but I think for all purposes, I think the answer is 2 hearts. Okay, let's hope it's correct. Yes, 2 hearts. Yeah. Okay, next one. So now your partner bid 2 no trump. What is 2 no trump? Okay, no, it's not 10 plus point. 2 no trump is 10 to 12. Okay, if he has 13 points, what should you have bid? 3 no trump. Okay, so because since you never beat 3 no trump, this 2 no trump is not forcing. Okay, a lot of people also made this mistake. Oh, 2 no trump is forcing, I beat 2 no trump. Then after that, his partner pass. Okay, 2 no trump is not forcing. 2 no trump 10 to 12. When can partner pass? Where he has a minimum hand, okay? Okay, because 10 to 12. So here, this hand, you have 15, you plus the 10. What should you do? Yeah, you beat 3 no trump. Let's go 3 no trump. Yeah, 3 no trump. Okay, here a bit strange, but how come you say minimum hand should pass? Yeah, I know minimum should pass, but you can count point also, right? 2 no trump is 10 to 12. You got 15, you know? Okay? So don't follow blindly the rule, okay? You also have to think. Your partner showed you 10 to 12 points. So even if you only have 10 points, you got 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. So you should pick 3 no trump. Don't just say, I got minimum, I pass. I got minimum, I pass. No, don't do that. Okay? This hand you have to count. So bridge is not so straightforward. That's why some people say minimum hand is 12 to 14. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, but I think for beginner, I think you keep it as 12 to 15. Okay, but this is the exception. Okay, good example. Where if your partner beat 2 no trump, it shows 10 points. So you got 15 points, you should bid. But if let's say you got 14 points, you can pass. Okay? Okay, F. Okay, one diamond, two diamonds. What is two diamonds? Okay, I don't remember. This is lesson 2, I think. Should be 5 cut diamond and how many points? 6 to 9. Okay, so this is not forcing. So here you got what hand? Minimum hand. So you can. Here you should pass because 9 points plus 15 is 24. So unlikely to have game. So answer I hope is pass. Yeah, pass. Correct. Okay, hand 7. Okay, this one. Mm. It means 6 to 9 points and 5 diamonds. Yeah, correct. So 2 diamonds is 6 to 9 and 5 diamonds. Yeah, usually 5 diamonds because 1 diamond only promise 3. Okay, so 2 diamonds, you should be 5 diamonds and 6 to 9 points. So if you beat 3 diamonds, it should be 5 diamonds and 10 to maybe 12 points. Yes, yeah. Open only got 3. 1 diamond only promise 3. So this is different from a 5 card major. Okay. Yes, because the fate is 8 card. Yeah. So this one must have 5 diamonds. Okay, let's look at B. Sorry, hand 7. Okay, first question, what hand do you have? Minimum, maximum, or invitational? So minimum, invitational, or game. 8, 10, 16, 18, 19, right? Okay, so actually we have a game hand is very simple. It must be game or either you beat game or you must be a forcing bit. So let's look at D. What is the answer? Yeah, 3 no trump. Okay, just beat 3 no trump. I think no problem. Okay, good. So there are people who may beat I think you beat one spade, right? Here you only got 3. Yeah, if you beat 2 diamond or 3 diamonds, 2 diamonds is definitely not forcing. 3 diamond is highly invitational. Also, partner may pass. So I think straightforward beat 3 no trump now. Since you have a partial spade stock, some good card and hearts, I think 3 no trump is okay. Okay, B, what would you do? You got 19 points, partner shows 10 to 12. Okay, 3 no trump. Correct. Okay, next one, D, partner shows 6 to 9. Yeah, I think 3 no trump also. So simple, right? You have got game here, all 3 no trump. Okay, don't worry, I'll send you the answer. Okay, I think the answer all correct. Okay, hand 8. Let's look at hand 8. Okay, first question, what hand do you have? Oh, because you have a game hand, you got 19 points. Okay. In a rare event, your partner only got 6 points, then too bad lah. Which how many diamonds? What do you want to bid? You want to bid 5 diamonds, is it? Okay, you can bid 5 diamonds is possible, but the problem is 5 diamonds is quite a high level. 5 diamonds, yeah. Yes. Yeah, but unfortunately, to make 5 diamonds, you need more points. Sometimes 3 no trumps, you can get away with just making 9 tricks. 5 diamonds, you make 11 tricks, 2 more tricks. So when you have a minor, right, you still try to play 3-note trump. The exception is when you have a singleton of white, that like this example here, when you have a singleton, right, the 3-note trump makes it a bit more risky. Here you have quite a balanced hand. You may want to try 3-note trump instead. Because 3-note trump is 9 tricks and 5 level, 5 minor is 11 tricks. Yeah, for the same game bonus, it's easier to make 3-note trump. I mean, it could be 5 diamond also if you want to. Yeah, but the thing is, if you bid 5 diamond, the problem is that sometimes you may lose out. Yeah, if 3-note trump makes. Okay. Okay, let's look at hand 8. Oh, answer already. Sorry. Okay, hand 8, what do you do for this hand? What hand do you have here?